Hey guys, so the first piece that's in the initial grade for the brand new 2020 to 2023 syllabus from Trinity is Act 1 Beginners. Now, this piece is based around crotchets. If you've no understanding of crotchets, quavers and semiquavers as note values, crotchets are whole notes, so they're counted as whole numbers. The same way as euros are whole euros. They're not like a 50 cent is a half of a euro, so you need two of them to make a euro. A crotchet is a whole note, so it's counted 1, 2, 3, 4. And quavers are the half notes, so there's two quavers in a crotchet, just like there's two 50 cent coins in a euro. So equating it to money is a good way to start your understanding of it, because we all understand money. So your crotchets